Hello, nang. Yo, hello everyone, Mizo people, Nordic people, welcome back everyone. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi, guys, and today we are back again to RSA. So there is that event by the name Chapchar Kut, guys. It's my first time hearing of this, but it was just suggested that react to Chapchar Kut. So when I search of Chapchar Kut, I found my favorite and the biggest amazing Mizo singer. So today we choose to start with Rsa, that is Lalrosanga Herthuli, guys. Oh my god, it's not my first time also to listen to this Herthuli song. I already reacted previously to his performance in which performance? There is one performance, LPA, something like that. LPS, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, they also contested there and they sang this song there. So today we are reacting to Herthuli. Let's together enjoy and sing Herthuli from Chapchar Kut, guys. Thank you for the suggestion. Don't forget, if you are not yet part of this African family, kindly, guys, subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot, guys. And I thanks to all the people who already subscribe it and keep on suggesting. And let's go. Start. RSA. Welcome to Mizoram. Oh Herthuli. Let's start. See the fun. This is the best part here of this song he used to do. This guy used to act like Michael Jackson also. Oh Herthuli. So much fun, man. Oh Herthuli. I just can't believe, huh? I can't imagine if this guy can dance. Then the fans will be so crazy. He's so humble, man. Hello, nang. Hey. This was so energetic, guys. This was so amazing. Yes, I can't imagine if this guy is also a dancer. Like, suppose he's a good in dancing. Oh my gosh, I think the fans will be so much crazy about him. Just imagine, just for him singing this song. See, so much of love, guys. A lot of big love out there I can see, and this is so beautiful and amazing, guys. And this guy, he really has inspired a lot of people outside there, and I also love his song. But I will tell you, we are going to react to Taitea next, guys. Yeah, Taitea also is one of my favorite, because for me it used to be so easy for me to sing Taitea song compared to RSA. But Herthuli is so beautiful for me, and easily I can sing compared it to other song of RSA, guys. So that was it, guys. Thank you for suggestion. I will keep reacting, guys, because Chapchar Kut, there is a lot of performance, cultural, traditional also there, guys. Let's start by those guys, and later we'll check more other amazing things that I'm also so curious to see and to learn about the Mizo culture and tradition, guys. And yeah, just make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, put on the bell. This channel is for the Northeast people. Love you all. Till next time. Adam Taylor, oh Herthuli.